So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use data recovery tool on your iPhone. So first of all, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Now tap on the search bar and type iCloud.com. Once done, tap on Go. Now this will take you to iCloud website. Here tap on Sign In. And now sign in to your Apple account. Now here you will see all the iCloud data. For example, Drive, Notes, Mail, Photos, etc. To use data recovery tool, tap on this icon. And now tap on Data Recovery. Now from here, you can recover deleted data. For example, you can restore files, you can restore bookmarks, restore contacts, or even restore calendars. So let's try to restore calendar. For this, tap on Restore Calendars. And now you will see all the archives here. Tap on Restore next to the archive that you want to recover. For example, this one. Tap on Restore again. Now wait for a few seconds and this will restore calendars. So this is how you can use data recovery tool on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.